Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, the emissions diesel fuse, where you can find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram here. We have multiple fuse box locations, but today we work in one that's under the hood. Now here guys, okay, on the driver's side, if you come next to the car battery, okay, right there, you see that cover, you have two notches here that you need to press, open it, and right underneath it, guys, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Now before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, here, okay, for the emissions diesel fuse, where you can find it, you have different kinds of fuses. We always recommend to keep some spare ones with you, because those could be really hard to find in the middle of nowhere. It happened to us and we were stuck because of that, guys. The fuse that we need to check will be known as fuse number 7, and fuse number 7 will be that fuse that you see right here. That's the one, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.